This patriotic Muslim had given 5 tons gold to India during critical time. An Indian Muslim who did for his country would make every Indian feel proud. You'd be surprised to know that a person of Hyderabad donated 5 tons of gold for country's protection. Mir Usman Ali, one of the richest person of the world, you may have a guess of his richness that he had his own bank. In year 1944, he himself got established the State Bank of Hyderabad, and later on it changed as State Bank of India. He would use 438 crores diamond piece as his paperweight. Mir Usman Ali was so rich that he could buy hundreds of people like Ambani. He had almost $236 billion wealth. There was a time he was one of the richest person of this world. He was on the cover page of Times magazine. Mir Usman Ali, one of the richest person, had also patrimony in Italy and England. He was the son of Mahbub Ali Khan, who was a nobleman of Hyderabad. He had been the Nizam of Hyderabad before independence, and after that, in year 1950, he became first Rajya Pramukh of Hyderabad. In Indian history, he was the first person who had donated his wealth to a great extent. No one else donated as much as he did. In year 1962, during the war between India and China, Mir Usman Ali had given 5 tons gold to Indian government. This is one of the biggest donations till now. You would be surprised to know during the war between India and China, all the weapons and cannons that Indian soldiers were fighting with were bought by Mir Usman Ali himself. If Mir Usman Ali had not donated 5 tons gold, then today India would have been captivated by Chinese. The 5 tons gold that was donated by Mir Usman Ali, Lal Bahadur Shastri himself accepted this donation after having reached over there, and it was none other than Mir Usman Ali who got established first aerodrome in India. He also got established Osmania University, Hyderabad, that is one of the biggest universities in India. While donating money, he never asked about religion. One side he donated 5 lakhs to Aligarh Muslim University. On the other side, he donated 10 lakhs to Banaras Hindu University. He donated 54 acres land to Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar, on which many colleges and universities were established. You may judge the simplicity of Mir Usman Ali. Throughout his life, he would put on a cap and simple kurta. He never ate in gold and silver plates. His funeral was one of the biggest funeral. He used to say, "Until I am alive, nobody can harm my country." This video is especially for those who raise question on the unity of India, who raise question on the religion, who discriminate between Hindu and Muslim. Really, these people should shame on themselves. They raise question on the brotherhood between Hindu and Muslim. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. See you in the next video.